Gas prices are so high and still rising. It has become so expensive to go out nowadays. These trying times really reinforce a quote we hear all the time: there is no place like home. More than just a safe space where we can relax and unwind, our homes are our sanctuary where we can breathe freely away from the hustle and bustle of city life. That's why working from home makes a lot of sense for me. Hi, I'm Marklin of Yugatech, and as someone who spends most of my day creating, attending meetings, and staying connected online, having reliable internet at home has become essential for my daily routine. Surprisingly, I come up with the freshest ideas while at home. For example, there are times when I've spent countless hours in the office thinking of solutions to problems, only for them to pop up in my head while I'm in the shower, cooking, or cleaning at home. Now that I've been working at home nearly as much as during the pandemic, PLDT Home has been my perfect digital partner. A reliable connection just makes my life so much easier. The first thing I do every morning, I grab my phone and start catching up on podcasts or news or sometimes NBA playoff highlights. And you know what's underrated? Starting the day without buffering. Once I sit down at my desk, it's game time. I'm uploading and downloading huge files all the time. And when you work online, speed really matters. I always want to be ahead of everyone else. In a competitive space separated by mere minutes, the internet can spell the difference between first and second. Lunch breaks are quick. Sometimes I order food or look up for quick recipe videos to follow along. No frills. My afternoons are usually packed with Zoom and Google Meet calls, while also uploading files, checking emails, and stripping some lofi music on YouTube. Basically, afternoons are for deep work time and peak multitasking mood. So I need reliable internet that can keep up and help me focus on my work. And of course, after work, this is when our PLDT home fiber gets really tested at home. People usually just want to chill and stream 4K movies, and when they're not watching movies, they're catching up on Mobile Legends or Genshin Impact sessions. All this while my PC is still backing up files in the background. Multiple devices, multiple users, and my PLDT home fiber got no issues handling everything all at once. That's probably the biggest thing I appreciate with PLDT home fiber. It keeps up with our daily needs and we can't imagine life without it. With PLDT home fiber, I'm always work ready with my reliable connection at home. PLDT Home now offers free installation, free speed boost of up to 2 times, only entertainment with Signal, and big discounts on Samsung TV and gadgets until May 31. You can check out the PLDT Home Fiber Only All Plan $1,399, which already includes these perks to get you started at home. Once again, this is Marklin of Yugatech, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!